If you're planning a trip to Boracay and don't book your hotel yet, let me show you around this amazing resort and see if it's worth your money. Another day, another new day, and today I am going to give you another tour here of where we are staying here in Boracay. I was about to say Bohol. Okay, we are here in Boracay with my baby, and as you can see, those of our previous vlog is we were staying at a garden, Henann garden, but this is the same group, ano po, the same group of Henann resorts. So, but we are here at actually at Henann Lagoon. It is not far from the beach. It's actually like 5 minutes walking. Yeah, 5 minutes walking. And as you can see, that's actually like a main pool, the area over there. And we are going to our room. And I'm going to show you where we are staying because it's really amazing. Actually, guys, you can see that there's actually a gym over there. Yeah, a gym. And we are staying at Lagoon Annex, which is just, we have a direct access to the swimming pool. And this is the way. Actually, I thought at first that um I will not gonna like it because I thought like we were just somewhere this way, not a really easy access to the pools compared to the garden. But I thought like garden is way more better of where we are staying. But this is way more better. And I know you guys were gonna like also the garden resorts, the one that we are staying in. Actually, I couldn't complain to it, but I thought like, comparison of these two, I thought like, but because here it's like, we are like hiding it, right? So this is the room. But first of all, I am going to show you what's the other way. Here you go. So see, as you can see that there, this is like a convention center, like where you can do some study like that. And this is like the second main pool. As you can see earlier that we were at different area where there's a lot of people were swimming. Yeah. Hello po. And so, that was a VIP lounge. The VIP lounge that I was showing you. I thought like it was a study room, but that is. So you're just gonna tap your card over there. 131. Oh my God. The reason why, because we almost check out. That's why it doesn't work. That's why it's color red. So you can see, so the staff is going to help me to go inside again because we are going to check out supposedly 12 and it's still early, it's still 11. So it's going to help us to go back inside. Oh my God. Because I really forgot to film the last time. Yeah. So, but let's go back to our topic. I know a lot of you wanted to visit Philippines and consider Boracay as one part of your destination. Yeah, it's actually a really amazing. There's a lot of choices for you to stay in this island. When you just came in inside of the door, you're gonna see this. Of course, this one is a safe where you can store your safety things over here. Make it safe. Yeah, and of course, this area I'm gonna show you. She wants really to hold the camera. Okay, this is the mirror, huge mirror over here. And of course, there is more, like 3 mirrors in the room. No, 4 mirrors. So we got this. Bella loves doing this kinds of thing, guys. Actually, if you have a children, guys, actually, this is a very children, um, like a place for them. It's a good place for them. It's a good environment for them. Yeah, you got a table. You got the bed over there. Okay, bed over there. You can call them. And of course, you got this table as well over here to put your food and other things. And refrigerator. And where you can store your utensils over there. And this also, if you want your coffee, like study table or working table. My goodness. Stop, baby. Oh my goodness. Yeah. You're a content creator and then you bring your kids with you. So yeah, it's fun. And of course, you got a sofa over here as well. It's your door going to your pool. You got your private pool over here. Look at that. So just here, then here. Amazing, right? And you got two cards where you can borrow for this, for the towel. I need to return this because I need to get back the card so that I could check out without paying for the card. It's really pretty, right? Of course, you can actually chill over here as well. And you can hang your wet clothes over there, having beer over here. Imagine you're gonna sit down with your loved ones or like yourself over here with a beer or like some shake. Yes. So it's like very, very nice. So this is like an annex. So there's a lot of room that is, yeah, you could choose for like in the booking.com or any bookings apps because that one, guys, as you can see over there, there is first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, fifth floor. So it's like the first floor is where you it's a little bit expensive, like around 9,000, because of the room is very much accessible to the swimming pool. But the second, third, fourth, the fifth floor will is the most lower price compared to the first floor. So you can save more in the fifth, third, second, like that. So it really depends of you. What is your preferences? Whatever you wanna stay in this place, because like for example, like if you're really into vacation, like trying to just relax most of the time, spending this kind of amount of money for per night is worth it, like especially for the amenities. And people here are quiet, super friendly as well, like the workers. Like me, I feel like it's not really hard for me, like especially just I am taking care of my baby just by myself. And sometimes like I couldn't just go out because Bella is sleeping. And like last time, for example, I don't have more water for Bella's milk. So I called them, can you just send it to the room? And they said yes, of course, like without any words, like yes, like that. So it's really very their accommodation is really good, like their staff is really amazing. And yeah, I couldn't ask for more like that, because this is the place that I can say that it's quite luxury for me, because the way the people and the pool, like that, it's everything is really worth it. I mean, like in Boracay, there's a lot of hotel where you can choose to stay for nights or like for even longer than that, like, but this one is very much recommendable for me.